Hey everybody, Drew here, and you are in my shop with my wife's Suburban. This was not her fault at all. The truck was parked, which is a whole nother story. But so here's the new door, super blessed. I'm up here where these vehicles are extremely rotted out, and this is her beautiful Southern Suburban. And go figure, there was a Southern Suburban in the junkyard right here in northwestern New York State, which is just a super blessing. So here's the deal. So you're like me, you got the new door on and nothing lines up. And then you realize, okay, I'm dealing with a Chevy, not a Toyota. So it's like the 1950s again. If you're a Toyota person like I am, when you bolt on a door, there's no question. You just put the bolts back, and everything lines up. But I want you guys to know that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 13s right here. These are 10s. These are what you use to actually change the door. My hinges from my donor door are over there. But if you loosen these, like for example, I loosened 1, 2, 3 and left this one on, and it allowed me to, pivot the door so this lines up. This where my finger was way up here. And I didn't have an even body line all the way down. What I wanted to show you guys was this guy here with the Torx screws. This is completely mobile. Pardon my gloves, by the way. I'm sure you subscribers have never seen me do that before. That's another long story. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, by the way. I usually have my crap together. Anyways, loosening these, you can move this bad boy, this way, up and down, and that's going to determine how your door lines up. Just make small movements and use like a paint pen if you have to, but you're going to need to adjust this guy. And this should be obvious, but if you go up with this, it's going to raise the top corner of the door. If you go in, it's going to move the door inward. But you need to adjust this guy, and then once you're done doing that, basically, depending again on how you want to pivot the door, you're going to want to leave just one of these tightened, again, as a pivot. You're not going to want to try to move the door around with more than one of these tightened, and you're going to want to make sure you have the right one tightened and the correct 3 loose. But once you have, once you've got everything where you want it, make sure these are torqued down and you're good to go. So hopefully this is helpful. What a nightmare. And again, it was not her fault. Not mine either, but that's the way life works sometimes. And yet here I am dealing with it, not only for free, but instead of, work and earning money, I'm, spending it to fix my wife's truck. But that's the way life is sometimes. So just adjust this. Adjust those, and you're good to go. Take care. God bless. Bye.